Hello.
What's your name?
Danna.
Danna, how old are you?
I'm 4.
And what color do you like?
Pink.
What animals do you like? Goat, pig, cat, lion, tiger, elephant,
Dog.
duck? A duck? Okay, now, what letter is it, Danna?
F.
Mm-hmm.
Fish. Fox.
Very good. What letter is it?
Tree.
Q.
Kiss. Tree. Cross.
Quilt.
Quilt.
Okay, next, what letter is it?
C.
Mm-hmm.
Goose.
And
Grape.
how about what letter is it? So, and what letter is this? H.
H.
This one is a?
How. Hat.
Yes. What letter is it?
I.
Mm-hmm.
Action. Instinct.
Yeah, what letter is it?
Joy.
Yeah.
Jockey.
And?
Yum.
Yes. What letter is it?
K. Key. Kind.
Very good. What letter is it?
L. Lion. Lamb.
Yes. What letter is it?
M.
Mm-hmm.
Moon. Mouse.
Very good. This one?
N. No. Number.
Very good. What letter is this?
O. Orange. Onion.
Good job, Danna. What letter is this?
P. Pencil. Pig.
Very good. This one?
W. Whale. Bird.
And the last one?
C. Zebra. True.
Okay, now Danna, what do you see?
I see a pink pig.
What do you see?
I see a brown horse.
What do you see?
I see a blue rabbit.
What do you see?
I see a white tree.
What do you see?
I see a register.
What do you see?
I see a brown horse.
And what do you see?
I see a orange hen.
And this one?
Ooh.
I see.
I see a wolf.
Okay, high five, Danna. Good job. Okay.